To check your transaction history on PayPal, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the PayPal interface to find your past transactions easily. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Enter your email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the Activity section. Once logged in, look for the Activity tab at the top of the page. Click on it to access your transaction history. Step 3. Filter your transactions. In the Activities section, you will see a list of your transactions. You can use the filters to narrow down your search by date range, transaction type, or status. Select your preferred filters to refine the results. Step 4. View transaction details. Click on any transaction in the list to view more details. This will show you information such as the transaction ID, date, amount, and recipient or sender. Step 5. Download your transaction history optional. If you need a record of your transactions, you can download your history. Look for the download option, select your preferred format like CSV or PDF, and follow the prompts to save the file to your device. Now you can easily check your transaction history on PayPal whenever you need to.